Hello guys, welcome into the next picker card reading. In today's reading, we will know the true feelings of your partner. So here we have three piles. Pile number 1 we have tiger eye crystal. Pile number 2 we have amethyst. And for pile number 3 we have lapis lazuli. So go with the pile which is attracting you more. And remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. So let's begin with pile number 1. Pile number 1, let's begin with your cards. The lovers. Oh my god. They are definitely in love with you, pile number 1. 6 of swords, moving forward. The death card, transformation. And here we have 5 of pentacles. Okay. So pile number 1, I am seeing you are definitely in a soulmate or twin flame connection, or your partner were in a karmic situation and they are just moving on from this karmic situation, and they are in the process of transformation. They are facing their fears, they are going through spiritual awakening, and they are definitely coming towards you. Pile number 1, I am also getting your person is busy in making their career and finances stable. Like they are busy in making their career and you are thinking they are not making time for you. You are thinking they are in another relationship, that's why they were not talking to you. So I'm seeing this person definitely in love with you, but they are going through a lot of transformation. They are facing their fears. They are going through a spiritual awakening, and they are definitely moving from their third party situation. I'm also seeing this person was depressed or stressed in past because of their career and their finances, but now they have expected their life, and they are going through transformation. While this transformation, they will let go of the baggage of the past. They will move from the past, and they are coming towards you because deep down they know there is a connection between both of you. They know you are the only one for them. That's why they are letting go of the past, going through transformation and moving towards you. So this person has pure feelings for you. They are letting their past go and moving forward towards you, and their soul and their mind is guiding them towards you. Their soul knows you are the one. Their higher self is guiding them towards you. So there could be a difference between both of you. This could be state, country difference, city difference. And I am seeing one of you is more financially strong here, and the other person is struggling with their finances, with their career, while the other person is stable in their finances and career. And from the lover card, I am definitely getting there is a mutual feeling. This is not a one-sided connection, pile number 1. This is a mutual connection. Both feel for each other. Both have feelings for each other. Let's see some more cards for you. Definitely transformation. Look, we have that card, and here we have transformation. The fairy tells you to surrender to transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation, the best is yet to come. Oh my god, pile number 1. This card has defined your whole reading. Like you both are going through transformation, and angels are telling you surrender to this situation. The best is yet to come. They are coming towards you, pile number 1. You just have to be patient and be gentle on yourself. They are also going through a lot of pain, a lot of transformation. precious time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully, to make the most of your precious time. Be mindful not to waste others' time. Okay, so I am seeing pile number 1. You are thinking too much for regarding this person. You are thinking too much regarding this connection, and you have paused your life because of this connection. And here fairies are telling to keep moving. Your time is precious. Don't hold it for someone, and keep moving towards your career. I am strongly getting here career. Just work on your career and they will definitely approach you. So this person is working on their career. They are going through a lot of transformation, and deep down they know you are the only one. And in upcoming period they will definitely connect you because they know you are the one for them. Pile number 1. Thank you. Welcome pile number 2. So for pile number 2 we have lapis lazuli crystal. Let's see your cards. Turning in. Oh my god, I am getting this person is spiritual who is watching this video, or your partner could be spiritual person. 3 of Pentacles. This person is definitely in third party situation. 3 of Cups. Okay, so they are in third party situation and they are definitely enjoying their life, and they are thinking their third party is their twin flame soulmate. The Lovers. Oh my god. So pile number 2. You are dealing with your twin flame. This is a soulmate or twin flame connection I am seeing here, but this person is in third party situation, and they are thinking their karmic partner is their true twin flame, their true soulmate. That's why they are not making connect with you. They are thinking you as their karmic partner, and they are happy with the third party. So for this person I am feeling you are a twin flame soulmate, and they are definitely missing you here. Like they try to enjoy with the third party, but deep down they are missing your presence around them. They are missing your touch. They are missing your voice, especially your childish nature. And here you you know about this connection, and that's why you are doing inner work. You are accepting your fears. You are not letting other people to influence your mind. You are shedding all the negativity behind, and you are healing yourself and moving forward into the spiritual journey, because you know twin flame union is all about inner work, is all about acceptance, and union within is the first before the union with your twin flame. So that's why you are focusing on only on yourself. You are focusing on the inner union. You are focusing on your spiritual journey, your enlightenment. And I am also getting here you are healing pile number 2. If you are on the healing path, you are doing right things and you are healing. And I am also seeing here this person is surrounded by negative and liar. They are surrounded by negative persons, fake persons, because this person feel worthy with them. The liar person is telling them everything, but they need to hear. That's why they are with the third party. I am also getting here they are with the third party because of engagement, because of marriage. They did not want to engage with this person, but because of the family pressure they have to. I am also seeing you guys are in connection with your friends, and their friends are telling you he's not happy, she is not happy, but this person is not accepting this connection. Especially they don't believe in twin flame, they don't believe in soulmate. So this person definitely misses you, but they not believe in twin flame or soulmate connection. That's why they are with the third party, and they are definitely surrounded by fake people. who are not letting him to miss you. And here you are on the right path. Please keep going, keep doing your inner work. The more you do your inner work, the more this person will connect it towards you. I'm definitely getting here some of you are dealing with Gemini or a water sign, and some of you are dealing with earth sign. Oh my god, just look at the number 3, 3 and 6. 6. Definitely a soulmate and twin flame connection. And you guys complete each other. You are feeling like they are your soul, and you are not ready to let them go, because you know she is your twin flame. Just keep doing your inner work and they will definitely move towards you. You guys are twin flame. Twin flame union is definite. The more you do your inner work, the more you will be close to the union. So let's some full more card. Temptation. Are you in denial about an unhealthy habit, perhaps one that make you feel guilty? The fairy says you have the power to overcome temptation, whatever it's gives. Okay, so pile number 2. You guys have to let go of the negativity. I am getting here. You are letting go of the negativity, lower vibrations back. So here fairies are again telling you, keep moving forward. Don't let the negative energy, don't let the negative people influence your spiritual journey, influence your mind, because you are on the right path. Just keep going, keep doing what you are doing. So divination, embrace your powers of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see your current situation and crystal clean clarity. So again, you are extremely spiritual, you have strong intuition. So divine here again guiding you. Just listen to your intuition, just believe in your visions which you are receiving or were receiving through your third eye, because you have the power to see the things beyond the illusion. You have strong intuition to guide you. Just believe in your intuition, and your intuition is telling you they are missing you, they are twin flame. And here again divine is telling you, yes they are, but you have to believe in yourself. So while number 2, they are definitely one, but you have to do a lot of work, and you are doing. Just keep doing, you are on the right path, and listen to your intuition for this connection. Thank you. Welcome pile number 3. For pile number 3 we have amethyst here. So let's begin with your cards. First we have conditioning. Okay, so this person is bounded by something, their family, people or circumstances, and the circumstances or people are not letting them to come towards you and express how they truly feel for you. They are observing you, they are missing you, but people and circumstances are not letting him to come forward towards you. Queen of Cups. Okay, so they are definitely missing you. They feel you are a nurturing woman, you are cute, innocent. They are definitely missing your innocent, your caring, your touch, especially your voice tone. And they are more focusing on self-care, or this could be you who are more focusing on self-care, inner work and self-love. 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so this person is busy in their career, their finances, making their finances more stable and more strong here. I am also getting they are busy in their education, study, but they are missing you. While in busy schedule, they are definitely missing you. Ace of Pentacles. New beginning is coming towards you. They are coming with an offer, but society is not letting them coming towards you. This could be their family, their finances, their career. I'm also getting being busy here is just an excuse for them. They are making themselves busy so they can't miss you. They are ignoring this connection because of the society, and they are feeling this is over, but this is not over yet. because their inner calling, their soul, their higher self is not letting them believe this connection is over, and that's why they are keeping them busy, just to ignore their intuition, just to not let their soul guiding them. So some of you, I am seeing there is a family pressure on them. Their family is not letting them to come towards you because there are a lot of difference between both of you. This could be finances difference, distance, spiritual or religion difference, caste difference here. So they are feeling you are the one for them. They are missing your touch, your innocent, but they are bounded by something, or they are forced to marry someone else, but they are definitely missing you. They are coming forward with an opportunity, with the gift, with the proposal, or with the higher commitment. Let's pull some more card for you. File number 1, file number 3, sorry. New beginning here, definitely. So here a new beginning is coming towards you. By number 3, this person will come forward you and make an offer with you. I am seeing they will break the conditions, they will break all the conditions. They will not listen to the people, they will not listen to their family, because they will know you are the one for them. You are the only one who can complete them. Wait for winter. During the colder month, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes, as long as your intentions are for the highest good of all. So okay, pile number 3, and there is the good news is coming towards you in winter related to this connection. So definitely they are coming with an offer, with the new beginning towards you in the winter. And I am seeing a union here. They will break all the conditions, they will not listen to others, they will come towards you and will tell you how they feel towards you, how you truly are for them. And there is a new beginning towards you is coming. So you just have to keep manifesting this connection, apply law of attraction, show gratitude to the universe, and this will make easy for this person to express their true feelings to come towards you. So you just have to focus on self-love, self-care, and keep going with your life. Don't wait for this person, just hold space for them and keep going with your life. So there is a new beginning in winter is coming towards you. Just keep going. Bye bye.